Ladies and gentlemen, I will present you our new singer, Miss Jennifer Lopez.
Oh, gracias, gracias. My name is Jennifer Lopez, and I eat tacos and burritos.
Miss Lopez, would you like to share anything?
Oh, see. Some people with all my body, I still love tacos, honey. So crispy on the outside, so super cool and yummy.
And the second song.
This is for my loving Ben. Oh, Ben, you are so perfect, so spectacular in every way. You bring light into my life, Ben. You almost made me forget all about tacos. Tacos so good in my tummy, yummy, give me more. I love you, Ben. You almost made me forget about tacos.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Lopez.
Oh, gracias, Padel. But I have something to say.
What is it, Miss Lopez?
It was all a lie that I can never share anymore. I am Mitch Connor.
Oh, who the
Miss
heck is
Lopez?
Mitch Connor?
Miss Lopez, who the heck is Mitch Connor?
Just a runaway con man. I've been scamming people town to town since I was 15. But I'm tired of running. I've been a cheat all my life. I lost the records company, ruined a singer's life, and took away this man's precious time.
You're under arrest.
If you can catch me, then bye-bye.
Bumalik.